In this video, I will be showing you how to add page numbers in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and click on the More button to see all my design options. From the menu, I'm going to select Document to open a fresh blank canvas. Once the new project loads, I'll navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Text tab. I'll scroll down through the text options until I find the Page Numbers tool. When I click on it, a settings panel opens up where I can customize how the numbers look. Under the Format dropdown, I have several styles to choose from, but I'll stick with numbers only for a clean look. Next, I'll click on Show Numbers On to ensure they appear on the current page. I want these numbers to be consistent throughout my entire document, so I'll click Apply Properties to all pages. Now that the settings are applied, you can see a number 1 has appeared in the bottom right corner of my first page. To show you how this works automatically, I'll click the Add Page button at the bottom of the editor. As I add a second page, the number 2 appears instantly. I'll keep clicking Add Page to create more sections, and you'll notice that each new page is automatically labeled with the correct sequential number. If I need to make any changes to the style or placement, I can simply go back into the page number settings and adjust the formatting. I can also toggle which specific pages display a number by checking or unchecking them in the list. This feature is incredibly helpful for long documents or presentations where you want to keep everything organized without manually typing every single digit. Canva handles the numbering for me, perfectly synced and positioned every time. That is how you easily add and manage page numbers in Canva.